press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Kardia Mobile detects atrial fibrillation, which is one of the major causes of stroke. Now, for the very first time, they're able to see their electrocardiogram. Mind you, not their pulse, but the actual electrical activity of the heart.
It's slim and compact. I can keep it in my purse or in my back pocket.
I hit the record now. Place my fingers on the two leads for 30 seconds. It's amazing. I can do this in 30 seconds where it would take 3 hours to go to the doctor and back.
I don't think I could live without my Kardia device now because it's just that stress relief and that peace of mind.
Vay, ne olma?
Здорово!
Hello, olá.
Nasıl geçti günün?
Como que você acha meu brinco? O passeio com o Rio, baby.
Не? Что, не понимаешь, что ли? Пошли бухнем!
佢唔明我講咩喎？你可唔可以幫我解釋下？
Gândește-te cum ar fi să vorbești cu toată lumea.
E eigen taal.
كلمات ما في داعي بس تسمعها.
Baú asociație.
Nuestra cultura.
Ce încăi, man!
И наши истории.
Imagine o mundo.
Waar je met iedereen kan praten.
Și oriunde.
كل شي بصير.
我哋可以一齊做生意啦！
Nos podemos enamorar. Ben ve sen arkadaş olabiliriz.
Yonko tsine viasia. O biabe tinene yonko akasa.
The Dreamlight is a complete redesign of what a sleep mask can be. Through careful control of light and sound, we aim to bring a more restful sleep. To aid sleep, internal lights lead you to doctor-developed breathing exercises. Melatonin-regulating green light slowly wakes you like an alarm. A pouch makes the Dreamlight travel-friendly. It can be charged like your cell phone. By calculating when to wake you, the Dreamlight works to minimize jet lag, so you arrive rested. And through genetic testing companies, the Dreamlight app provides the information you need to maximize your sleep. Sleep-aiding white noise can be played through the Dreamlight speakers. And once asleep, the Dreamlight records sleep quality through a sensor embedded in the mask. It also employs infrared light, a popular wrinkle treatment. We're launching on Indiegogo because we want to bring Dreamlight to people across the world. We need your support to make the dream.
This is Flter. It may not look like much, but this small device solves some very large problems. We live in a time where everything you do online is monitored, tracked, or censored. Just because you don't have anything to hide doesn't mean you don't deserve privacy. Finding a way to stay private and secure is not such an easy task. Services are fragmented and none provide coverage on multiple devices, making it a hassle to stay protected. We created Flter in order to make privacy and security more accessible and easier to use. Flter provides VPN support, ad blocking capability, and Tor anonymity on all the devices in your home. This is especially important for devices that don't normally support these applications, like gaming consoles, smart TVs, and media players. Flter not only protects you from unwanted ad targeting, but it prevents companies, governments, and internet providers from seeing more personal information like your web activity, searches, and even physical location. In VPN mode, Flter uses enterprise-grade encryption to protect all the devices in your home simultaneously. This level of security keeps all incoming and outgoing web traffic private. VPN mode also allows access to geo-restricted content or censorship simply by switching regions within the app. Flter's app is incredibly easy to use. Select the VPN setting, the region you'd like to connect to, or automatic for the speediest connection. You can switch between VPN mode and Tor or configure more advanced settings. Flter also does the job of blocking advertisements, dangerous websites, trackers, and malware. Infected advertising is a huge threat and annoyance. With Flter, you'll never have to see a malicious ad again. To stay ahead of threats, all security features and lists are kept up to date automatically. You can choose what you want to have updated or turn this off at any time. Flter has a lot of capabilities, but setup couldn't be easier. Run all of your network traffic through Flter simply by connecting it between any modem and router. Flter will start working automatically and can be configured within the app. Flter can be used as a regular router, which you can connect your devices to via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Flter is ultra portable and can even be powered off an external battery. Even if you're in a public area, you don't have to worry about staying secure and finding power. We have a great idea and an industrious team working to make Flter the best it can be. But we need your help. We need to meet manufacturing requirements and volume in order to make Flter affordable for everyone. We hope you'll support us and help spread the word about our campaign. Every little bit counts and helps bring us closer to our goal, to make your online experience yours again.